Selamat pagi teman-teman traveler. Hari ini kita akan ke Tanah Toraja dengan bis belakang saya. Jadi jangan lewatkan keseruan ini bersama kami. Bye bye.
I want something else to get me through this semi-charm kind of life, baby, baby. I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye.
Halo teman-teman traveler. Sekarang kita berada di kota Parepare, kota Bapak Baru. Di belakang sana ada satu patung dari Bapak Habibie dan Ainul. Wisatawan yang biasanya menyempatkan diri untuk masuk berfoto di tempat
I packed and I'm home. I'm smiling. She leaving, she gone, then she leaves for me. Says she leaves for me, amazing. Her motivation. She comes round and she comes round to me, and I make it smiles like a drug for you. Do ever what you wanna do. I'm coming over you. Keep on smiling what we go through. One stop to the rhythm that divides you, and I speak to you like the chorus to the birds. Setting on the line like a cutter with a curse. I come in like a freak show takes the stage. We give him the game she plays. She say I want something else to get me through this semi-charm kind of life, baby, baby. I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. How do I get back there to the place where I fell asleep inside you? How do I get myself back to the place where you said I want something else to get me through this semi-charm kind of life, baby, baby. I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye.
What would I do with it? What would I do without you? Come on. What would I do without you?
Teman-teman traveler, sekarang kita mampir di Kabupaten Indrekang untuk mengikuti tradisional ketekan atau tori.
Just praying to a God that I don't believe in. Cause I got time while she got freedom. Cause when a heart breaks, no it don't break even. The best days will be some of my worst. She finally met a man who's gonna put
Baik
her
teman-teman traveler, pagi
first.
ini kita akan
While I'm wide awake, she's no trouble sleeping. Cause when a heart breaks, no, it don't break even, no. What am I supposed to do when the best part of me was always you? And what am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces.
juga burasa kalau orang sini sebut.
They say bad things happen for a reason.
Ya supaya
Wild words don't stop the
lezat dan
bleeding.
nikmat.